Hello, this is Janusz. Here I want to show how to create simple database in nuBuilder and to make some improvements to simplify data entry. Yeah. So here I have new installation of nuBuilder. There is nothing, no database created yet. So if you go here, you can see nothing is created. Maybe I will open now the database, the PHP my admin with all the tables which are available. So here you can see just only system tables. And let's start to create now the new form for the new database. So let's consider that we want to create a database for the cars. So we can use the fast form to create the database, the table and the form. Table. Here we don't have any table, just only system tables here, but no data tables. So let's give the name cars for our database. If you are using cars, we can make the prefix for the columns in the database with the car. Always the best is to give the first three letters of the table name as the prefix, yeah, and add some fields when we can enter the data. So the first field can be registration number. Okay. If we click here, we can see car underscore registration number, text, variable character. You can choose later with a smaller value. Next will be car brand. Yeah, so we can put brand. Okay. And here we are having the column name brand. Afterwards, we can put model. Yeah. Okay, we have model and maybe let's put color. Text and let's put color here. Okay, so we are having our table defined. So now we can just press build fast form. But for the browse form, I need to choose values which will be displayed on it. So I would like to have all of them on my browse form. And now I can press the build fast form and the form is created. If I go now to my main panel, you can see cars. There is nothing yet, but we can add the first record, so registration number, KR, whatever, yeah. Brand, let's say Toyota. Model, let's say Corolla. Okay, color green. Okay, and make it, and we are making save. Yeah. If we will go to PHP my admin, make refresh, you can see table cars. It is already created. We can see the columns: car ID, registration number, brand, model, color, and this is what we keep in the tables of the MariaDB, in my case here. Yeah. If I would like to add another one, I am putting add registration number. Okay, whatever. Brand, let's say BMW. Model, let's say, sorry, 7. And color, let's say black. Yeah. Okay. And save. If I go here, you can see my two cars entered. But for example, the color will be very often similar for many cars. Yeah. So how to make it that I am not entering, not typing in every time the color of my cars. So how we can do it? Maybe we can use the select the select field where we can choose values from already defined values. Yeah. So I need to add now another field, another object. I call it another select object. How to make it in the simplest way? I can copy this field, yes, and later change its parameters. So I need to open the box with the parameters and can make clone. Yeah, there's something. I'm just pressing clone, yes, and I need to give the new ID of my object. So let's make color and select. Okay, to make difference, yeah. And I need to move it left, so I put it, let's say 350, but one will not overlap with the other. And for the moment, I will just make save. And going back, you can see the color, but it's, let's say, still overlapping. So I will put something like left, let's put 500. Okay. Okay. Okay, and now it's far enough on the right. So now to change the object type, I can use, for example, select. Yeah, and if I make save, so now I cannot save because the select tab is not defined. So for the moment, I can do just anything inside to just to make it save only. Yeah. Okay. And if I will just refresh like this, I can see here I can just only choose one because I define just only one parameter here. So I can go now to my table, and for example, if I would like to choose color, I can use the field color and make the select statement here. So I'm going to the select and I will type select distinct because, for example, if green will be twice or three times or whatever, I would like to have it displayed only once. So distinct. Okay, maybe let's make a copy of it. Color. Okay. And here I have to define to place it twice because there will be one value and the second is the reference or index, to this value. From table is cars. Okay, and I can make order by car color. Okay. So I will have it in alphabetic order. Copy, change, and save. Okay. Oh, not this one. It's I have to make, okay, save, whatever, yeah. Going here, and here you can see black, green, yeah. So I can choose for the moment, but now I would like to make something that if I will choose here, it goes here to this field, yeah. So if I will take green, the green will be copied to this field. So how I can do this? Maybe let's now use the F12. No, not F, I pressed, yeah, F12. And we can we can easily verify many parameters of the objects which we are having just on the screen. So car color select. So this is the field here. So if I would like to get the value, I should use the notation like this. Dollar, yeah, and here hash, and what I did wrong, I should copy it here. Control C, console. Okay, okay, and value. And you see, I have the value from this field. Yeah. So let's take it. Let's make it copy, and let's go here to the custom code JavaScript and on change. So if this field will change, I will do the following action. First, I will read this value. So x equals to this. Okay. And after, maybe I will make save. Okay. I will put it to this value where is color. Yeah. So color is car color. And what to do next? I'm going back here, select, not select, but custom code. Here, like this. And the field name is color. And here I can put value X, and I can put maybe additionally change. Okay. Change. Okay. And save. Perfect. I can make it save. Okay. And now imagine that I would like to add another car. Another car. So add a registration number, KR, whatever. Yeah. Brand. Let's put, for example, Mercedes. Yeah. Model A-class. Okay, whatever. And color. So color, I can choose green. You can see it's green here. And yes. If I would like to use, for example, green light, whatever, yeah, I can now make save. Okay, and you can see it is already here. Okay, so this way you can go, of course, for the same approach for the other parameters. And if you don't want to keep such a long field, you can maybe make it smaller. For color, just put a dot. Okay. For the width, you can put maybe 20. Okay, save. Let's check how it looks like. Okay, and maybe we can use arrange, Control Shift A to move it closer. Okay, make it safe, and you can see it's like here. If I would like black, it's black. I'm making safe. Okay. There was I removed black too, so it disappeared. Yeah, now it's added. Yeah. Okay. So this way we can create create and make simplification, to our data.